Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to the DevOps King channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of different tasks in the Azure DevOps. Today we shall discuss lecture 5, in which we shall discuss working of the development team with the Azure Repos. If you need training for the Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, Azure Web App, CICD, please contact on this WhatsApp number. In the DevOps King, every lecture is prepared by certified people, DevOps engineer expert of Azure Cloud. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please use this word DevOps King. You will find the channel DevOps King. Please subscribe the channel so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. Today we shall discuss in lecture 5 Azure DevOps working our development team with the Azure Repo. In my lecture number 4, we have discussed how to clone the Azure Repos. After cloning the Azure Repo, the next step is working with the Azure Repos. So in this case, this is the repo that we have cloned in the last lecture. Today we shall discuss the different feature that we need in order to work with Azure Repos. When you open it in the Visual Studio, there are some features you should know in the Visual Studio. Like left hand 0 show that outgoing. I shall discuss each in detail in the next step. Right one is mean incoming. This one is pending changes. This is the branch name. In the next lecture I shall told you what is the branch, what is the branching mechanism, why we need branch. And the next one is the name of the repo, and this bell icon show the notification for the Visual Studio. Now we shall explain each of them. So outgoing means the change that need to push on the remote Azure repo. When we work, development team work on the local repository on the Window Explorer. After doing the work, development team push the changes to the Azure repo remote server. Our remote server is the server which is available for all the team. So outgoing means the change that need to push on the remote. Incoming mean let different people are working on the Azure repo. Everyone is pushing its changes on the Azure repo. In order to get the latest changes of the Azure repo, we shall use the incoming feature. So the changes that need to pull from the remote Azure repos. Pending change means that developer has made some changes in the file that we shall see in the next step. Branch name, the name of the branch is dev, we make the development line in code. And after that, name of the repo. This is the name of the repo for which you are using code. And the last one is notification for the Visual Studio. Now in the next step, when you click on this combo box, this combo box, you will get the different feature in order to work with the Azure repo. So when you click on this combo box, you will get these features like fetch, pull, push, sync. I shall explain every task in the next line. Like fetch means the git fetch the command downward files and refer from the remote repository into your local. Pull means the git pull command is used to fetch and download the content from the repository. Push means the git push the command is used to upload local repository content to the remote repository. This one is very important. Sync means in sync. First of all, we pull the latest changes and after that we push the latest changes on the remote. So in this case, when we edit file, like in the solution, if I change the index.cs HTML, then Visual Studio will automatically check out it. The red tick sign show that the file is ready to edit. So in this case, you see that there is a one changes in the code. You can see this one changes in the code. When you click on the Git Changes tab, you will see the different option like this one. After doing the development, your file will be checked out. After that, you click on the Git Changes tab. When you click on the Git Changes tab, you will find the different options like this. As index.ch.html is modified, so we shall get the different changes. By clicking on the Git Changes tab, you will see this interface. Like one, M mean modify. In this case, M mean modified. Plus means you want to stage. Stage mean you like to push the all changes at the end of the day. So you can stage your changes. And this arrow sign means revert. If you have done some development in the file, you need to revert the changes, then you will click on this icon. So in this case, when you click on the Git Changes tab, you will see this interface. All three icons, I have explained what is the meaning of these three icons. After that, now again I am explaining the meaning of these three icons. This one, M, plus and arrow. Click the plus icon to Git stage. This Git has three main stages that the file can reside in: modified, state and committed. So in this case, modified means that you have changed the file but not committed to your database. Stage means you have marked the modified file in its current version to go into your next commitment snapshot. So the last one, when you click on the plus button, it will stage as shown in the screenshot. When you click on the plus button, your changes will be staged. You can see that in the stage section, you can see your files index.sh HTML. It means that these changes are ready to push to the remote repository. So in this case, in the next step, now by opening the repository in the command prompt, when you apply the Git status, you will come to know that on which branch you are doing work. The latest branch is dev. Origin means on the remote, and dev means the dev branch. And this is the stage value that we have done in our previous step. So when you click on the combo box, this combo box, this combo box, you will get the different options to work with the code. Like one is commit stage and push. Commit stage mean commit the stage. After that, commit stage and push mean also after staging push it to the remote. Commit stage and sync, it means that commit stage and sync. Sync means get the changes from the remote as well. Stash all, what is the meaning of stash? Stash all and keep index means like this one. Stash means you are reserving all the changes and you want to push it after completing of the work. That git stash saves the uncommitted changes locally, allowing you to make changes, switch branches and perform other Git repository. Git stash means. So in this case, for the next one, when you click on the Git Changes tab, if you click on these three dots, you will get the different option to work with the Azure repo. First one is fetch from the remote, pull from the remote, push to the remote, sync. I have already explained what sync and push, all tags, management. After that, if you want to work with the new branches, in the next lecture I shall explain everything about the branches, why we need branches, what is the mechanism of the branches, all these. open in the browser your application and open in the Explorer. When you click on this three dot, you will get all these three different features to work with the Azure repository. Thank you very much for watching the video prepared by certified DevOps engineer. Wish you good luck for your profession.